hey, check it. This hair is still looking good, and your girl got wet, got smacked with a wave and everything, got submerged into the water. Talking about drenched, hair drenched, y'all. But just so y'all know, that braidless crochet, it does do the trick. Hair didn't come down, hair's still here, y'all. Didn't lose a strand. So that ought to tell you something. You don't need singles, y'all, to achieve this look. You don't need all singles. You can just do half singles, half flat twists, and boom, you're done. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your girl Ty, and I'm back with another video. Thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, on this channel, we talk about protective styling, hair tips, and just how to grow your hair healthy overall. So if you are interested in any of those topics, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you don't miss any more videos. And on that note, today, we are getting into some fire, y'all. I'm gonna show you how I slay these 30-inch passion twists. Super sexy, girl, vacation friendly. So if you're trying to hit up the beach, I got exactly what you need. With that being said, if y'all feeling these 30-inch twists, y'all, like I am, then I advise you to stick around, and we getting started right now. Okay, so I am starting off on freshly washed and stretched hair. So this is what it's looking like. And I am going to do a half crochet and half single so that my hair does not look like a crochet. So the front is going to be all singles, and then like half to the front is going to be singles, which I'll show you in a sec, and then the back half is going to be flat twists, because you know your girl can't French braid. I can regular braid, but I cannot like cornrow. So I will be flat twisting, which works just as good. If you watched any of my older videos, I have done it plenty of times and it works like a charm. So I'm gonna jump right into getting my hair together so that we can start the crochet process. So I have completely finished the flat twist in the back. This is what it's looking like. This one I combined it a twist, so that's what this is, but it's not gonna affect anything. As you can see, I combined it a few twists, and I'm going to slip these through the twist, and I'll show you that once I finish. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Okay, so now I'm going to do the front, which I'm going to section off into small sections, and I'll be back once I'm finished. So I'm all completely finished. This is what I use to make sure that my parts are nice and sleek. So just for a 360, this is what my hair is looking like. This is the foundation. I did leave out my baby hairs because you do not want to braid these, twist these, or let alone put rubber bands on them. So that's why my edges look crazy, because I pulled them out so that I can slay them after we're done. Okay, so we're gonna start with the back and then we'll move our way up to the front. But anyway, I'm using the Passion Twist Crochet hair, 28 inches, y'all. I never had no hair this long, ever. So I was like, you know what? Since we are about to go to Florida, I'm gonna have me some long twists, because I love twists, and this hair is beautiful. It's already pre-twisted, so that's one less thing that you have to do. And then at the very end, they're nice and coiled. Super, super pretty. And this color is 1B, so that it matches my hair. I wasn't going for a color. I just wanted it to look natural. So yeah, this is the hair I'm gonna be using. Oh, FYI, this video is not sponsored at all. Just wanted to show you a sneak peek real quick, because I didn't show you how the twists would look. This is how it looks after I insert them through my flat twist. There's nothing hanging anymore, so no one will see anything. Okay, so now I'm just going to start the crochet, and this is just a basic crochet. I'm just inserting the crochet needle into the flat twist. I'm not going under it, I'm actually going through the flat twist, and then I'm going to hook the passion twist hair to the hook, and then I'm going to pull that through. Then I'm going to take the bottom of the twist and hook that again, and then I'm going to pull that through the hole, and that's just going to create a knot so that the passion twist is secure and that it's not going to go anywhere. After that, you're going to see me take my finger and I'm basically measuring the space of the passion twist between the next one, because you do not want to make this too bulky. Otherwise, it's going to look like a mop on your head and you don't want it to look like that. So that is the purpose of me using the 1 finger measurement. And I'm just going to do that throughout all of my head. And I will slide back in once we come to a completion. Okay, so I'm all finished installing the back and now we're going to move to the front. So I'm going to insert the crochet needle underneath the part here. Then I'm going to attach my passion twist hair to the hook. Close the latch, pull it through, push the hole down here. This came unlooped, so we're just going to add that in there like that. Then you're going to grab your twist and add it to the hook, and then you can either grab this one and put it on top, or you can do them separate, whichever is easier for you. And then I just pull them through the hole like that, and then I just pull down, pull them apart, not too hard because you don't want to cause any breakage, but you just pull it just so this tightens down. Okay, and now we're just going to feed our twist inside of the passion twist. We do that by inserting the needle into the twist, and then we just go in like a snake motion up the twist. Make sure that you are inserting through the twist, not just going around it, or it's not going to work correctly. You just want to go all the way up to the very top of the part. You want to get as close as you can to the knot. Then you're going to insert your hair like that to the hook, close the latch, make sure you hold the latch, and then pull the hair up like that, and then your twist will come out, and then you push the crochet hair up towards the part, and then you pull down, and then we have this much left to cover. And I'm just going to do the same step again. Okay, and now it is totally gone. And we're just going to do the same thing to these two.
love loops, so I will be adding a lot of these.
So this is what my braidless crochet is looking like after I completely finish my hair. I freaking love these 30-inch Passion Twists. This is basically for vacation hair. So I did this hairstyle because I went on vacation. Basically, I'm actually back. If you can tell, I'm super tanned. If you go back to one of my other videos, like, you can tell that I got baked. So anyway, if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing out, y'all. It's a blast. You need to get over there and find out what went on the trip. So anyway, y'all, I apologize sincerely. I sincerely apologize that I was not able to really show you the final look after I got done. With that being said, your girl is out of here. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys as always. See you next week.